Friends, welcome to my channel in my intermediate Vedic Mathematics course. So before I start today's session, what we did last time. Last time we did division by 11. I hope you have practiced it and you have seen the questions that is given by me. So today what you're going to do? Today we are going to do something very interesting and important, division by 12. It is somewhat similar with 11, but it's a little different. So we need to understand it very clearly. So division by 12. So let us start with it. Let's start with an example. Well, division by 12. Let us divide 243 by 12. Now there are certain things which you should remember very clearly just to follow me seriously. 243. Write 243 like this. Let us see the first procedure, initial procedure, understand it very clearly. Write your 12 here, and here in 12 we know that base is, this is a division by base method, division by base method. Base is 10, and we have to find out the difference of base from this divider 12. How do you find it? We'll write base minus divider, which is your 10 minus 12, which is equal to minus 2. This minus 2 can be written as 2 bar, as we have learned in bar, the concept of bar. 2 bar. So we'll write here 2 bar. Below this, write down 2 bar. Now let us proceed with the division, but before that, another procedural process. Since in the base there are 1 0, so we'll put one line after this one digit. Anything beyond this line is the remainder, and left side is the quotient. So what we did, two things we have done. Number one, base is 10. And we have to find out the difference of base and the divider. The base is 10 and divider is 12. So it is minus 2. It is 2 bar. To minus 2 is 2 bar. Write down 2 bar here. And since there are 1 0 at the base, just put one line after one digit. Now we'll proceed with the division. First, to just bring down number 2 as it is. Number 2. Right? And then multiply these two. 2 into 2 bar is what? It's equal to 4 bar. 2 into 2 bar is 4 bar. Now add these two. 4 plus 4 bar is 0 because 4 bar means minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? Then again multiply these 2 with this 0. 2 bar with this 0. What you get is that 0 here. But write down this minus 2 bar into 0 here. We multiplied this 2 into 2 bar with this 2 and we wrote 4 bar below this. Then we got 0 here. Multiply this 2 bar with this 0 and then put this 0 here. Now add this 3 plus 0, you get 3. Now what happens here? 20 is the quotient and 3 is the remainders. Very simple. Nothing else. We have done nothing. No multiplication, nothing of that sort. So what we did, once again, put down 2 below as it is. Multiply this difference 2 into 2 bar. 2 into 2 bar. Write down 4 bar here. Add this 2. 4 plus 4 bar is 0. And then add this 2 bar with this 0. You get 0. Put down 0 here. Now 3 plus 0 is 3. And then this 20 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder, and that is all, right? It's quite simple. Only thing is you have to follow the process. So just remember this process very clearly so that you may not have any difficulty, right? I hope you can see the left side very clearly. Divider, base minus divider. I think you can see it now. Base minus divider is 2 minus this is 2 bar, right? Well, Now let me do the next sum. Sum 2. Question number 2 is that 2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4 divided by 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 12. Now, as I told you, just once again I will tell you so that you can remember it. Right here, base is 10 and divider is 12. So the difference is minus 2, or which is equal to 2 bar. So write down 2 bar here. And since in the base, this is the base. In the base there is 1 0, so we'll put one line after one digit. This side is remainder and this side is the quotient, right? Now let us start with the division. Put down this 1 as it is. 1 into 2 bar is 2 bar. 1 into 2 bar is 2 bar. The 2 plus 2 bar is 0. Then 2 bar into 0 is 0. Just put here 0. And then what happens? This 3 and 0 is 3. 3 into 2 bar is 6 bar. Write down 6 bar here. Right? Now 4 and 6 bar. 4 plus 6 bar is 2 bar. We get here 2 bar. Now what is the result here? 103 is the quotient and 2 bar is the remainder. We cannot put it in the bar form. You have to change it. For doing that, just add this divider one time with this and reduce this 103 by 1. Are you getting my point? Since this is 2 bar, we will neutralize this by adding one time divider. So add 2 bar here, 12 here, that is with this 2 bar, add this 12 and then reduce this by 1. So what do you get? 103 minus 1 is 102 and then 2 bar plus 12 is 10. Are you getting my point? I'll just do it once again. So here is the quotient, this is the remainder. I'll just do it once again. You have got 103 here and you got 2 bar here. To neutralize this 2 bar, add this divider one time with this. Since you have taken this divider one time at this side, reduce it from this side. 103 minus 1, it's equal to 102 and 2 bar plus 12 is 10. The quotient is 102 and remainder is 10. Simple, but you have to follow the process, right? Wherever the remainder is negative, add the divider one time, maybe 2 times, doesn't matter. If you add 24 here, means 2 times it goes. 2 times if it is needed. Say for example, here the answer is say 13 bar. Now if you add 12 with this, even then the result will become 1 bar, it will still remain negative. Here you have to add 24 so that you get 11. So 11 will become remainder, and since you have added 24 2 times, the divider will reduce this by 2 times. So wherever in the exact example it comes, you will see it. But remember this process, whenever it's negative, just add the divider. Maybe 1 time, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times. And equally you just reduce this part with this 1 time, 2 times or 3 times as it is necessary. Otherwise things are very simple. Very quickly you can do the division without any difficulty at all. Let me see the third question. Well, 3, 4, 6, 8. 3, 4, 6, 8 divided by 12. Here, write down 2 bar, 1 line after this, base is 10. Put down 3 as it is. 3 into 2 bar is 6 bar. 4 plus 6 bar is 2 bar here. 2 bar into 2 bar is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. And when it is 10, write down 0 here and 1 below this, 10. And then multiply this 10 with this 2 bar, we get 20 bar. Write down 20 bar here. 20 bar. Now, let us simplify this. 20 bar means 8 minus 20 is 12. Minus 12 or 12 bar. And here it is 0, 2 bar plus 1 is 1 bar. Means 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 310. 310, 12 bar. Now we have to remove the bars. Now here devinculate it, 0 here. Devinculate 10 minus 1 is 9. Reduce this by 1, it's 290. 290, but this is 12. This is 12 bar. Now since this is 12 bar, what we'll be doing, we'll add this one divider with this to make it 0. 12 bar plus 12. Now since we have taken one divider from this, we'll reduce by 1. So this becomes 289 and this becomes 0, means this is completely divisible by 12 and the quotient is 289, remainder is 0. Are you getting the point? It's quite simple, quite easy. 12 bar plus 12, since you have added 12 here, reduce by 1, we get 2890. Okay, now let us do the next question. Next question. Four, 9, 8, 2, 6. 4, 9, 8, 2, 6. 2 bar here. Put one line here. Start dividing. Put 4 as it is below 4. 4 into 2 bar is 8 bar. 8 bar, it's 1 here. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 bar into 1 is 2 bar here. 2 bar plus 8 is 6 here. 6 into 2 bar is 12 bar. 6 into 2 bar is equal to 12 bar. So write down 12 bar here. 12 bar and 2. 12 bar means 2. Minus 12 is minus 10, right? Minus 10. So write down 1 bar. 0, you may write bar, you may not write, doesn't matter. So the difference is 10 bar. We have written 10 bar here, 0 here, 1 here. Both are under bar. 0 bar with 0 doesn't matter. Now this 10 bar into 2 bar is what? 20. Minus 20, minus 2 into minus 10 is plus 20. Right? So this becomes 26. And here it's 0 as it is. 0 has got no change. 6 minus 1 is 5. 4, 1. 4, 1, 5, 0. And there is 26. Now, there is one thing which is to be seen. This is more than the divider. Means it can still be divided. So, you cannot just put it like this. How many times 12 goes into it? 2 times. 12 into 2, 24, 2 times. So, what do we do it? 2 times. Write down 4150 smaller. 4150. Now, 2 times means what? Minus 24. 24 can go out of into it. That is 12 into 2. Now it goes 2 times. So we'll increase this by 2. We have taken 2 times 12 here. So we'll add here and reduced it by 2. So it is 4152. 4152 and 2. 4152 is the quotient. 2 is the remainder. I'll do it once again. This is 26, right? This is 26. Now 12 goes 2 times into it. So 2 times 12 it goes 26 minus 24. We have taken that from that side to this side, so I have added 2 here. So this has become 4152 plus 2. A 4152 quotient and 2 is the remainder, quotient and remainder. I think you have understood it. Things are quite simple. You have to always be careful if the number is more than the divider or if the remainder is negative, then you have to take the steps. Right? Okay. We'll do a last question here. 53827. 53827. Write 2 bar, put one line here. Okay, now put down 5 as it is. 5 into 2 bar is 10 bar. 3 plus 10 bar is 7 bar. 7 bar here. 7 bar into 2 bar is 14. Minus 7 into minus 2 is plus 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. Write down 2 here and 2 here. 22 into 2 bar is 44 bar. 2 and 44 bar is 42 bar. Write down 4 here and 2 here. 2 bar, 4 bar, 42 bar. And then 42 bar into 2 bar is 84. Minus 42 into minus 2 is plus 84. 84. Now let us simplify it. 84 plus 7 is 91. Sorry. 84 plus 7 is 91. 91. And here it is 2 bar. 2 plus 4 bar is 2 bar. 7 bar plus 2 is 5 bar. And here it is 5. Well, now this 5 bar, 2 bar, 2 bar, we have to devinculate it. So this is 91 here. Now devinculate, how do you do it? 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2 bar is 7. You have to remember that all from 9, last from 10 in the concept of vinculation, concept of bar numbers. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4, and this will be reduced by 1, 4478. Reduced by 1, that is equal to your 4478. Now this 91, 12 goes how many times? 84. 7 times. 7 12s are 84. So reduce it by 84. Right? Reduce it by 84 and add 7 here. 7 times is added here. 7 is added here and this is 7. This becomes 8, 7, 5, 35, 7, 1, 8, 44, 4, 4, 8, 5 and 7. 4, 4, 85. 8, 5 is the quotient and 7 is the remainder. I'll do it once again. This sum 2 into 5, 10 bar. 10 bar into 2 bar. 10 bar plus 3, 7 bar. 7 bar into 2 bar is 14. 8 plus 14 is 22. Write down 2 here, 2 here. 22 into 2 bar is 44 bar. 2 plus 44 bar is 42 bar. 4 bar, 2 bar. And then 42 bar into 2 bar is 84. So 7 plus 84, 91. Now what you get here? 2 bar. 2 plus minus 4 is 2 bar. Minus 7 plus 2 is 5. Minus 5 and 5 here. Devinculate it. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. Reduce this by 1. It becomes 4. Now 91. It can go, 12 can go 7 times into it. So 84 minus, so it becomes 7. Add 7 here. So it becomes 4, 4, 8, 5 and 7. So here's the question. So I think you have followed it. Things are simple. Only thing is you have to understand it and you have to carefully follow it, right? And then you can do it very clearly, easily, without any difficulty at all, right? So I hope you have understood it. So I'll give you some examples and some exercises to do. Exercise 326, number 1, 326 divided by 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 12, 2, 5, 3, 7 divided by 12, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4 divided by 12. These are the 4 questions. You should practice it, right? I hope you have followed it, and once you practice it, you will become more clearer to you. If in spite of that there is any difficulty remains, as I always tell you, please do write in the comments so that I can reply to your problems. I can respond to your questions, right? So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon, like and share with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic Mathematics, right? So today we have done, what we have done today, we have done division by 12, which is very important, by base method, right? Okay, earlier you did division by 11, today you have done division by 12. Similarly, you can do division by 13. So only difference is this, instead of the difference of 2 bar, you will have 3 bar. 10 minus 13 is minus 3 bar. So below the divider you write 3 bar and just do accordingly as we did in case of 2 bar. So you can do this the same way in 12, 13, 14 and whatever you can do. The things are very easy and quite simple. So what we are going to do next time? Next time we are going to do something different, changing from here. We are going to do the division by 99, right? So next time will become something different, division by 99. It is somewhat different from what you have done right now in 12, division by 12. So till the time I meet you again with my new session, all the best. Please take care of yourself.